Check out this 2008 Nissan Maxima. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.